I recently returned from a vacation and I wanted to let you know about a motto that I gave myself before I went on that vacation, and it kind of set an intention for me and it really worked well. So the motto that I picked was, I'm having the best time. Using this affirmation, practicing this affirmation really helped to slow me down in certain moments so that I would really pay attention to what was going on around me and notice where I was having the best time. So for example, at one point I found myself sitting on the beach. It was warm, I'm watching waves and I love waves, and I said to myself, I'm having the best time. And it really was the best time. I was really, really enjoying myself. So using that affirmation, using that motto, I'm having the best time, practicing that and setting that intention ahead of time helped to remind me to find where I was having the best time. And it made me appreciate those moments even more. Here's the brilliant thing, though, about this motto, I'm having the best time. It also worked in circumstances where I wasn't having the best time. I really value humor and I love snarkiness. So in moments where I wasn't having the best time, I could say to myself, I'm having the best time. And it made me laugh. These were family vacations that I was going on, and family dynamics can be complicated. I kind of anticipated that there might be some stressful moments for me along the way, and I wanted something to help me kind of navigate that a little bit more gracefully. And of course, help me see and really notice when things were amazing and lovely and wonderful. It helped me notice the big and small wonderful moments that happened on my vacation, and it helped me not take the minor inconveniences or the little stressors or things like that as seriously. I got to kind of laugh at them. Yep, having the best time here. Essentially, the beauty of this motto, this affirmation, it reminds us that we're in charge of our interpretation of reality and what's happening in our lives at all times. I choose to, as much as possible, filter my experience through this idea of I'm having the best time. So there's a huge side note with all of this, and that is, please do not ever turn this type of affirmation, I'm having the best time, into toxic positivity. When we do that, we're using an affirmation to bypass our genuine emotional experience. This is not a phrase that I would pull out in the face of actual tragedy or trauma or even mild to moderate disappointment. It's going to invalidate feelings that actually need to be processed and experienced and felt before we can move on from those experiences. So please do not use this to bypass your own emotional experience. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Also check out thealignedactor.com for more on me, Amy Schloerb, and my work, including how to hire me as a life coach if you would like to do that. I offer a complimentary session, and that could be a lot of fun for us to get on a call and see what we can do together. All right, take care. Bye.